All right, today we're going to do a video of a Haas ST-10. It's new in 2011. You have the Haas control. You have a 6-inch chuck, 12-position turret. It's running right now. It's running at 1500 RPM. Just stepped down to 750. You can see the axes are moving, feeding in and out. Stepped up. That's 2000 RPM. That's 2500 RPM. Rapid. Axes are nice and quiet. Index the turret just by itself. Everything you see mounted on the turret will go with the machine. That kind of does it. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.